Alright guys, Rob from ClicksGeek. In today's video we're going to go through a few landing page examples that we use in AdWords, and these pages all convert at over 30%. Alright, so they're going to be two different niches we're going into. It's going to be auto glass repair and pest control. So this page you're looking at right now is auto glass repair. It's actually mobile auto glass. It's the guys who come out to wherever you are and they fix chips and cracks in your windshield, stuff like that. This page converts anywhere between 42 and 49% of traffic into a phone call. All right, it's very important to understand most of the traffic we're driving to this page is from mobile. All right, very simple layout. You're going to see a kind of a common theme in all the pages I'm going to show you. So we have our logo at the top, our main call to action, what they do, mobile auto glass repair services. We fix chips, cracks, scratches, and more. All right, so as long as our ad says exactly what we're telling them to land here, we have a perfect message match, and that's going to lead to higher conversions. Most important part. Then we have a get a free quote button. That's a pop-up. So you can see these are legitimate leads. These are not email collections that get 46%, okay? So they have our another call to action here. Need immediate help, call. That's a click to call. Or they submit a form. Now, if they don't want to do a form, they just click this button and it pulls up a prompt on the phone to call. So that's another conversion path. Then we have services, and we just kind of list out all of their services that they cover, how it works, very important section right here. And there's a content block about their process, how it works with the insurance company stuff. Then we have licensed, certified, fully insured company. And then below here, we usually put Better Business Bureau badge or Angie's List or whatever awards they have. You drop those right there. Below that, happy customers. We usually drop a few pictures in here, anywhere, usually 4 or 6. It depends if the customer has them, the client has them, of pictures with them just like their team out fixing different windshield stuff like that. It just kind of adds a layer of authenticity, and you want to have that stuff. And then we hit them with the social proof. This is probably the most important section of the page. Now, do not use text testimonials, okay? It will defeat the purpose. The social proof is what drives it home that they're a legitimate company. And what I mean by social proof, we're just taking screenshots of Yelp, Facebook, Google, whatever review site they use. We're just taking screenshots of real reviews and we're putting them on this page. The more the better. This guy didn't have that many, so that's why there's only 2. If you can do 6 to 8, that would be super ideal. And then the final call to action is a click to call right down here. And that's pretty much it for auto glass repair. Really simple page, and I'm telling you, this thing just pulls. All right, so I'll drop the link to this page in the description below this video so you guys can actually take a look at it yourself and kind of go through it. And if there's something you want to take out of here, just take it. Next up, we got pest control. This is also a very basic, very small page. It also is a little short because all the content's gone, but I'm going to show you about that in a minute. So you have your secondary call to actions up here, or kind of not really call to actions, but benefits, bullet point type stuff. That's where usually you put up here. Logo, main call to action, call for a free pest removal estimate. Click the call number. Main header, top rated pest control company serving. Insert your pest control client or your company city name and surrounding areas. Here we drop 3 real photos, not Shutterstock, not stock photos, okay? Real authentic photos of your team, you guys out on a job doing something or whatever. Do a little another little tiny benefit / call to action stuff here. Insert an about your company block right here, a big paragraph or 2. Then hit them with pests we can help with. List all the pests you remove, okay? Really important. Then hit them with a final content block, a paragraph or 2 down here. We usually put a few images below the contact form here, which could be 4 up top, 4 bottom, or 3 up top, 3, whatever, of the types of pests you guys remove. Contact form, very simple. Request a free estimate. Number inside here is click to call. Fill out the form below to schedule your pest removal estimate. More benefits here. Contact information about the company and a little bit about the company blurb. Company headquarters, very important that it's a legitimate address, legitimate company. Areas we serve. Here's where we're going to list out all the cities that your company serves, okay? Final call to action. Call to schedule your estimate. Click the call number here. Company name, and usually down here we put, for running Google Ads, we put our ad extension number there. And that's pretty much it. Now this also is a mobile page. We try to run mobile traffic to mostly all of our clients because in our data we found that inbound phone calls convert significantly higher into actual deals and revenue for our clients versus form submissions. Usually when someone submits a form, they're not getting immediate help, so they're going to probably keep browsing around and submitting forms at other sites, and whoever calls them first wins. Essentially, that's usually how it works. So that's why we don't want our clients chasing form submissions, so we try to push as much phone call action as we can. So these are 2 pages. You guys can, I'll drop these both these page URLs in the description below this video, so you guys can tear through these pages and use them as design elements if you want for your own landing page builds that you want to do. We do build all of our landing pages in Instapage. It's like a drag and drop landing page builder. It's super simple to use. We actually use Instapage and Unbounce for different pages. So if you want, I can, you know what, I'm going to put a link to Instapage and Unbounce below in the video too. And you guys can just do a free trial thing and see if you like it and just play around in here with these designs I'm showing you and edit them for yourself. Because when it comes to building landing pages, it's really important that you have something you can build quickly. It's really easy to use, user friendly, and you can A/B test. Because these pages that convert like these ones you're looking at, we didn't just get these out of the gate. All right, these are custom design pages that have been A/B tested for 6 months to a year. All right, now if you don't know what an A/B test is, just keep watching the channel because I'm going to go into videos showing you how to A/B test using Instapage and Unbounce. All right, so there's a lot of content coming down the pike. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, all right? And check out the links in the description below this video. I'm going to put a link to our actual course, too, Landing Page Academy, and a link to our Google Ads course if that's something you're interested in. And I'll drop these 2 URLs in the description, too, so you can check these pages out for yourself. All right, guys, catch you later.